Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the washer timer knob on your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws, securing the control panel assembly. Detach the panel assembly. Make sure the washer timer knob is pushed in. Now use a small flathead screwdriver to pry out the retaining pin so you can remove the old knob. Install the new timer knob by aligning it on the timer shaft, then push it into place. Push the retaining pin in to secure. Reinstall the control panel assembly. Rethread the 3 screws on top. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.